Hey everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to recommend that you put on your to-do list, along with changing the clocks forward and backwards to daylight savings time, and checking the smoke detector batteries, and checking the lint in the lint pipe for your dryer. One more thing to do at the same time: inspect your fire extinguishers. Make sure that the gauge is into the proper into the green, not into the red. Also, when you go to check it, take and turn it back and forth slowly, and you'll feel the powder rushing from one side to the other. Make sure it's moving. That way you know it'll work. Because sometimes they'll get caked up on the bottom, just sitting there year after year after year. And you go to use it, it goes and it plugs up. So do your fire extinguisher check every 6 months.